Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon to get the notifications. Today our topic is variables. Before knowing the variables, first we need to know what are literals. Basically, literals can be defined as data that is given in a variable. I have already told in the previous video that I will give interview questions. So please note it in your notes or a paper. It will be useful for the interview. Okay. So what are literals? Literals literals can be defined defined as data that is given in a variable. Okay. Literals are string literals, string literals, and second one is numerical literals, numeric literals, boolean literals, boolean literals, and last one is literal collections, which is list, tuple, set, and dictionary. Okay, literals can be defined as data that is given in the variable. Literals are string literals, numeric literals, boolean literals, and list, tuple, set, dictionary. Next one is variable. What is variable? Variable is a container used to store the data values. Variables are the containers used to store data values. Got it? Variables are the containers used to store data values. And variable name must starts with the letter or underscore. Variable can be of any length and special characters are not used as variable name except underscore. Spaces are not allowed in between the variable names. Variable can contain letter alphanumeric characters. Okay, let's see. Variables can be of any length. Variables must start with letter or underscore. Variables contains alpha numeric characters. Special Special characters cannot be used as variable names except under scope. Variables spaces are not allowed in between the variable names. What are identifiers? Identifiers are used to recognize the literals utilized in the program. Identifier. Identifier is used to recognize literals utilized in the program. If the video is very slow, you can increase the speed of the video. Okay. Identifier is used to recognize literals utilized in the program. What are literals? Literals can be defined as data that is given in a variable. Literals can be defined as data that is given in a variable. What are the data we will provide in the variable that is called literals? And identifier is the name that is which is used to recognize literals used utilized in the program. So next, how to declare a variable. Declaration happens when we assign a value to a variable, okay, with the equals to. And object reference is, for example, we have created one variable a and another variable is b. For that every variable there will be specific identity object reference. Let me show in the code. Here I am taking one variable which is 60 and b which is 45. I am printing id of a, print id of b. Let me run this code. See, we can see the variable a has object identity unique. Here the variable b has object identity unique. This is called object identity id. Next we will see the camel case. Camel case, each word or abbreviation in the middle of begins with a letter. There is no intervention of white space. Okay. What is camel case? Camel case means each word middle of begins with a capital letter and there is no white space intervention in between the words. Okay. Let me show you example. N equals to name of student. C. Here N is the variable. Name of the student. Here we can see the letter, the word in the middle here of starts with a capital letter and there is no space intervention in between them. This is called camel case. Next we can see Pascal case. Pascal case is which is same as the camel case, but here the first word is also capital. Here n equals to, let me show, name of student. So this is the Pascal case, which means in the camel case, in the middle of the each word having the capital letter without intervention of white space. In the Pascal case, from the beginning of the each word, the letter should be the capital without white space. This is called Pascal case. Next one is snake case. Snake case is separated by with the underscore in between the each word of the name. Here I will show you name without capital letter and without space we are giving underscore for the each word of the name. Name of student. See, in the camel case we will use each word letter, each word will start with the capital letter without intervention of white space. In Pascal case, from the beginning of the each word the letter will be capital without intervention of white space. In camel case we will start with the small letters. There will be no capital letter. With the small letter we will start for the each word and we will add underscore in between the word of the variable. Got it? We can see how many types of variables are there in the Python. There are two types of variables in the Python. One is local variable and another one is global variable. What is local variable? Local variable is used to write inside the function. We can call it as local variable. If the variable is defined outside the function, that is called global variable. Let me write it here. First one is local variable. The variable which is defined inside the function is called local variable. Next we will see global variable. The variable defined which is outside the function is called global variable. Okay, what is local variable? The variable which is defined inside the function is called local variable and global variable which is defined outside the function is called global variable. Next topic is data types. The next topic is data type. So we will discuss data type topic in the next video. In this video, you will practice these interview questions. What are literals and variable identifier? What is camel case, Pascal case, snake case? What is local variable and global variable? Practice these interview questions in this video. So we will meet up in the next video with the topic of data types. Thank you so much, guys.